Is your front door ready to welcome spring? Have you ever noticed how a beautifully styled wreath can instantly make a home feel warmer and more inviting? Are you looking for a wreath that feels elegant, fresh, and inspired by charming European countryside homes? And wondering how flowers like lavender, tulips, and wildflowers can transform your entrance into a graceful seasonal statement without looking overly decorative? Stay with us, because today we're exploring European spring wreath ideas that bring countryside charm, soft colour palettes, and timeless seasonal beauty right to your front door. What defines a European-style spring wreath? European-style wreaths are known for their natural elegance and soft seasonal charm. Rather than using overly bright artificial colours or bulky decorations, these wreaths focus on realistic florals, delicate greenery, and balanced arrangements. The result is a wreath that feels refined, organic, and timeless, much like the entrances of countryside cottages across France, Italy, or the English countryside. Why are wreaths important for seasonal decorating? A wreath is often the first decorative element guests see, making it a powerful way to signal the arrival of a new season. A thoughtfully designed wreath instantly creates a warm, welcoming impression and sets the tone for the home inside. If you love elegant seasonal decor, like this video and share it with someone refreshing their home for spring. Why is lavender perfect for spring wreaths? Lavender adds both colour and atmosphere to a spring wreath. Its soft purple tone pairs beautifully with neutral palettes, while its rustic appearance evokes the charm of French countryside gardens. Whether fresh or dried, lavender creates a relaxed yet romantic look that feels effortlessly European. How can tulips elevate a front door wreath? Tulips are a classic symbol of spring renewal. Their gentle curves and soft petals add movement and freshness to wreath designs. Pale pink, ivory, and pastel yellow tulips create an elegant arrangement that brightens the entrance without overpowering the wreath's natural balance. Tell us in the comments which flower you would choose for your spring wreath. What makes wildflower wreaths so charming? Wildflower wreaths capture the feeling of a blooming meadow. By combining daisies, small blossoms, and soft greenery, the wreath feels relaxed, organic, and slightly whimsical. This natural look mirrors the effortless beauty often seen in European countryside homes. How can greenery enhance a floral wreath? Greenery is essential for creating texture and balance. Eucalyptus, olive branches, ivy, and fern leaves frame the flowers and add depth to the design. These natural elements ensure the wreath feels organic rather than overly arranged. For more seasonal home styling ideas, check out our full playlist in the description. Should wreaths be symmetrical or organic in style? Both styles can work beautifully depending on the desired aesthetic. Symmetrical wreaths feel elegant and polished, while organic wreaths with slightly uneven arrangements feel relaxed and countryside-inspired. Many European wreath designs combine both approaches for a balanced look. What base materials work best for European wreaths? Natural wreath bases create authenticity. Grapevine, twig, moss, or woven branches add texture and rustic charm. These materials provide a natural structure that complements floral arrangements beautifully. Subscribe for more beautiful European home decor ideas. How can pastel tones be used tastefully? Pastel colours help create harmony and softness. Blush pink, pale lavender, cream, sage green and soft peach reflect spring gardens while maintaining a refined look. Avoid harsh colours so the wreath retains its elegant European feel. Can Easter accents be added without overpowering the wreath? Absolutely. Small pastel eggs tucked gently among greenery or tied with linen ribbon can introduce a subtle Easter theme. The key is restraint. Just a few accents maintain the wreath's elegance. Love these looks? Find similar wreath decor pieces linked in the description below. How do ribbons enhance spring wreath styling? Ribbons add softness and movement to the wreath. Linen, burlap, lace or satin ribbons introduce texture and help frame the floral arrangement. Choose colours that complement the flowers rather than dominate them. What door colours pair best with spring wreaths? Neutral doors provide the perfect backdrop. White, cream, navy, charcoal, sage green, and natural wood tones allow the wreath's colours to stand out beautifully. The contrast highlights the floral details while maintaining a refined appearance. Explore more front door styling inspiration in our similar videos listed in the description. How can you create a rustic countryside wreath? A rustic wreath combines dried lavender, wheat stems, soft greenery, and muted florals. Allow the arrangement to remain slightly asymmetrical so it feels natural, similar to wreaths seen on doors in rural villages across Europe. What lighting enhances a spring wreath display? Natural daylight brings out the colours and textures of the wreath beautifully. In the evening, gentle porch lighting or lanterns can softly illuminate the wreath, creating a cosy evening atmosphere. If you enjoy timeless seasonal decor, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. how can you make a spring wreath on a budget? Beautiful wreaths don't require expensive materials. Use flowers from your garden, trim greenery from shrubs, or repurpose an old wreath base. Often the most charming wreaths are the simplest ones made with natural materials. A European spring wreath is more than decoration. It's a seasonal welcome that greets every visitor with warmth and charm. By combining lavender, tulips, wildflowers, and natural greenery, you can create an entrance that feels fresh, elegant, and inviting. Add subtle Easter touches if you like. Keep colours soft and balanced, and let nature guide your design. With just a few thoughtful elements, your front door can beautifully celebrate the arrival of spring. If you enjoyed these European spring wreath ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love seasonal decorating. Tell us your favourite flower combination for a spring wreath in the comments below. Explore our spring decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more elegant home styling ideas. Looking for more seasonal decor inspiration? Check out similar videos linked below. Find the wreath decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.